Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Skywalker. Today, the coffee has me deep diving to the wild world of Jamaican politics with British scumbuggery. No insult to their king, but I didn't send Mark Golding over here. It's hard to see scumbuggery behavior and then call it something else. So, sorry peeps, you know how I think about truth already. Let me remind you what I like to say before we hit the meat of the matter. I often tell this truth about the truth. Truth is feisty, you know. I hope you know that. It's not me who is feisty, it's the truth. So sorry. So, here is the fact, my people. Truth has no regard for your emotions or sentiments. Sorry, Lambert. It does not care how you choose to feel about its uttering. You may not like to agree with it, but it remains unquestionable. So, sometimes you might feel like the truth is offensive, but to tell us not to utter it would be so unfair. It would be choosing darkness over light, and Skywalker is for light. I come from the zenith of the sun, so I know that the best way to tell the truth is to say it. So, what you think about that, Nathan? Huh? Tell me what you think about that. Buckle up and let's go then, people. I hope it's not too much of a confounding speech for Mark Golding. I tired of the babbling. I tired of the babbling, man. I tired of the babbling. Very tired of the babbling. Look, how Golding constituency buildings are falling apart while Holness is out there building free houses and helping the needy. My people. Right now, we are watching a sitcom where one character is always making grand promises but never delivers, while the other is quietly getting things done. And you're so busy working, and the country is truly transforming into a grand state. It's fun to simply drive around and look at little Jamaica they turn in America, Pawi. But Golding can't fulfill even one promise, not even to renounce the British passport. Not even that. We know you cannot promise to stop telling lies because them set that by you, Golding. But promise with something, man. Promise with something. Every politician promise something. The only thing you do is find excuses. And, well, you kind of promise to tax we more and remove free healthcare and so on and so on. But you kind of do it like you not tell we, but you're sure we. Then you're so damn proud of yourself over that too. Me not think that is something to be proud of. Looking at us like we should are grateful for that. You want to take away the gold spoon and give us a copper one, and we must be grateful. You must have they have confounded speech again. Take your medicine. Take your medicine, yeah, man. Take your medicine. Hey, Markie G, by the way, where is proof of you renouncing the British citizenship? Huh? We are still waiting, although it already too late. Time has elapsed, and now it is unforgivable. Go home. Since a day you want done, isn't it? Think about it, isn't it? Ah, boy, Mr. Golding, I hear you saying time come. I always hear you declaring time come. But you know what? it's time for you to pack your bag and go. Look how you did jump in at this like you are expert. You jump in at the politics like you are expert, pretending like you can do some political magic tricks or like you have the greatest ideas. But we are waiting all day and that time never come. Huh? You know you still don't even have a manifesto. The time never come. All we ever get from Mark Golding is lies, propaganda, and confounded speech in a parliament. Brrr. Isn't it? The only way to say the truth is to tell it, right? We want to see your manifesto, not tell we say somebody go thief. Andrew Holness a work so good, you don't need your manifesto for thief. So give away your manifesto. And not tell we say you just a go learn how fi do economics. And fi control the cost of living. Election soon come. We think you're in the practice and they do all kind of gymnastics. Fi tell we say you didn't know how to do it. But how come you don't know? Huh? And we can't expect any truth out of you anyway, when you really think about it. Mark, we cannot expect any truth out of you except by accident or when Dayton start to talk too much. Or maybe Crawford. That's how we hear. That's how say that's how we did hear say you are gonna tax we seriously. And is you make a mistake why we know say you are gonna remove the free education and make it more what you call it? More affordable. You are gonna make something free more affordable. Brethren, you should have pack up. You should have pack up. You are doing bad and you're not even in there yet. Anyway, Marky G, shift off of the screen there. Because me tired of hearing you talk about time come, time come, time come. And you not deliver nothing. So I waste the time they waste. You realize that? If time come and you not do nothing at the time, I waste they waste time. Meanwhile, Andrew Holness is out there engaging with the people, listening to their problems and acting, always acting on their needs. Our coach does not only strategize from the sidelines, but he also jumps in the game and leads by example. Can you do something like that, Mark? Mark, you only watch Dayton and Crawford SYM up everything. Meanwhile, Bunting a hide. Bunting a hide. Bunting a hide. All the one Lambert are going to do is catch them in a parliament and cut the hype on them. You because them have to, But Dr. Setafire did it for him. I don't know what kind of politics this Rise United PNP practices, but it's out of this world. Just like how Mark Golding's citizenship is out of this country. Make that make sense. Make that make sense. You can't. And it only proves that nothing should have they go so. Mr. Crawford, nothing should have they go so. So to answer your question, what can go so? Virgin, nothing should have they go so. So what are you gonna do about it? Hmm? Think about that. One at a time, Bank Golden try to come play a card about racism. Like people attack him about him race. Even when him have chain and lock and key. Marky G, Edward Siaga gave up his US citizenship to serve Jamaica. Edward Siaga was a white man. He showed one allegiance and proved that Jamaica comes first. Yes, he gave up his big US passport to fully commit to saving his homeland. But you, Markie G, your British passport too big for you to give up. And nobody now force you to give it up. Just go home. And Jamaica is in the process of getting rid of Britain too. So go home, British. You don't see the irony there? Huh? You don't see it? What do you stand for, British man? We stand for Jamaica. And we stand for Jamaica getting rid of Britain. While we are here trying to get rid of Britain, what do you do? Make that make sense. You can't. What can go so? Nothing, Mr. Crawford. Huh? Think about that. Cause some of you people, you think we ain't thinking. So ridiculous. Ridiculous. Oh, the irony and hilarity of Jamaican politics. At least when it is hijacked by a British man in the middle of us trying to depart from Britain. And all these many big girlish behavior long seed men are trying to say it's kosher. It's a load of crap, my people, respectfully. Remember, it's important to stay informed, voice your concerns, advocate, and do the right thing. And your Holness is captaining a steady ship now. We are heading to calmer waters, but only if we will simply stay the course. Stay the course, my Jamaicans. We have too much to gain to lose. Think on these things, my people. Peace out.